Hey beauties, you want to see how I got this bomb flat twist out? Well, just go ahead and keep watching. So to start off, I do have half of my hair done. I last minute low-key decided like, okay, let me go ahead and film this because I haven't done my natural hair in a while. And I just wanted to give y'all a texture shot showing y'all my curls in different places just because I thought that was cool. And I was like, you know, yeah. So anyway, this is the side of my hair that I already did. I low-key should have filmed this part because y'all, I'm a beast with this side of my hair, I guess with my hands and stuff. But this side, child, y'all gonna see, we still gonna get it done. So I'm using this leave-in conditioner and a dimming brush and clips, and that's really about all you need. This is gonna be a dry flat twist out, so I don't even know what was up with my hair. I think it was low-key dirty, but yeah, for a dry twist out you don't really need much, just like some type of leave-in conditioner so you're not pulling your hair, breaking your hair off, and yeah, that's really it. So I'm showing y'all here that the parts do not have to be perfect at all, and yeah, just do what you do what you can. So I take a section, and then I take a section out of every section and detangle. Like, this is the most important part of a twist out, a flat twist out, is you want to have everything detangled or it will be a hot mess. So I'm going section by section, making sure I have enough moisture on it, that way my hair is not, you know, breaking off, that way I'm not pulling it, and I'm just, you know, detangling my hair, clipping it up out the way. And once I have that whole section detangle, I go ahead and start twisting. I take like a small section out the front, divide that into two, and then I just start twisting. So as you're twisting, you want to grab some hair, just like the same size type of section that you're starting with, and combine that with the twist and just keep going down doing the same thing. Try to keep it like as neat as possible so that way when you're taking it down, everything can stay uniform and neat. And make sure you detangle as you go. Like, that is so important, or your twist is going to be raggedy and poofy and just a hot mess. So you just keep on going down like you kind of doing a French braid, all the way down to the back of your head, making sure you spray and detangle as needed. That is like really important. I'm gonna keep saying that because it's really important, okay? And like I said, y'all, this side did not look as good as the other side. I think mainly because I was twisting the opposite way. I kind of like did the left side of my hair like twisted inwards, and then I did the other side of my head twisting inwards. Do that make sense? All like going towards the middle. So I kind of had a little struggle, but you know what I'm saying, y'all get the point.
They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million.
So this is the next day. All that leave-in conditioner is dried up, and I'm just taking my black castor oil just a little bit to give it some shine, you know what I'm saying? And then I also put that black castor oil on my fingertips, and that helps to like basically get oil on your hair as you remove the twist. And you want to be careful taking down the twist. Not really careful, but you don't want to like separate them too much to begin with. You want to like take them down at like in the same way that you did them, if that makes sense. So that way they can come out, you know, with the curl pattern, with the uniformness I was talking about.
read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night
and visualize seeing yourself as...
Yeah, I would visualize,
This is when you were broke and poor.
You know, right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that is. And I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe. And I dated at Thanksgiving.
Twistout popping, what's up? Hey! So y'all, as y'all can see, I really loved the outcome. And now I'm just fluffing it. Ain't that what it's called? Fluffing. You just take like a wide tooth comb or a pick and just fluff out the roots, getting rid of those parts, like the line of demarcation from the parts. So yeah, just fluff it up. I decided for like a side part, so y'all will see me just, you know, adjusting it, playing with it. And this is what I'm talking about too, separating the curls. Be careful with that because some of them did get a little poofy because I separated them too much. But yeah, you could do that. Just to, the more you separate, the more like volume you gonna have. And that's it, girl. This my hair. I was feeling it. I was feeling myself. It only lasted a day, but I was feeling it. So thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and if y'all want to see more natural hair videos, make sure to let me know down below, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye.